Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Sonali Kohli. I'm an integrative aesthetic dermatologist practicing at the Sir H.N. Reliance Foundation Hospital in Mumbai. And today I'm here on this platform to speak to all of you about a very common topic, which is oily skin. So let's first understand that how do we know whether you have oily skin or not. A simple trick is when you wake up in the morning without washing your face, just take a tissue paper and dab it on your skin. If the tissue paper gets stained, that is most likely that your skin is producing its own sebum while you were sleeping. Some people experience dry parched skin when they wake up, and they are the ones who usually have dry skin. Now some people might notice oiliness present only in their T-zone, which could be the cases when you have a combination skin. Now why does oily skin happen? Does oily skin happen because of eating oily foods? No. There are a lot of myths that exist around oily skin, which we will get to a little later. But your oily skin is predominantly controlled actually by your genetic tendency, and later post-puberty it can be affected because of your diet, your hormones and the environmental influences, including the products that you apply on your skin. Now with oily skin, there are a lot of myths that exist, especially people think that people who have oily skin do not need to use a moisturizer. First and foremost, it's important to understand that when we use a moisturizer, that helps to build our barrier. It protects our skin from the outside environmental toxins and damage. Now when oily skin people will not use a barrier, the skin will tend to produce excessive sebum to produce that barrier, as a result of which it will clog your pores and could lead to the development of acne. That is why even for people who have oily skin, it's important that you use a moisturizer, but at the same time you can choose a moisturizer which is more gel based. Looking for contents like aloe vera and zinc in your moisturizer could be helpful. Similar rule applies for using a sunscreen. Now people with oily skin also require sun protection from UVA as well as UVB, and that is why using a sunscreen is a mandate. You can use a non-comedogenic sunscreen and a sunscreen which is paraben and sulfate free, so that your skin does not get sensitized. Look for a formulation that is more compatible for oily skin. Now what is a skincare regime that oily skin people can usually follow? When you have oily skin, it's important that you use a good cleanser followed by a toner and a moisturizer. As I explained, that moisturizer is very important even for people with oily skin. Our skin does get affected by diet, but when the myth comes that because of eating oily food that you tend to develop oily skin, that is not true at all. At the same time, if you exfoliate your skin excessively thinking that you have oily skin and that will prevent acne breakouts, you will actually worsen the skin and lead to excessive sebum production. Excess or exfoliation can only cause damage. Even people with oily skin require to exfoliate only once in 10 days. And people who have oily skin do have a tendency to develop acne if you don't use the correct products. But that does not mean that because you have oily skin, you will compulsorily develop acne. That is why using the correct skincare regime is important. Now when you choose your toner, you can look for ingredients like witch hazel. Do not use toners which are very harsh on the skin, as that might rip your skin of its natural sebum and cause excessive dryness or lead to the development of clogging of pores. I hope all this information was useful for you. Thank you so much.